So Samsung's been teasing something pretty wild lately, a foldable that doesn't just bend once, but twice. Yeah, the Galaxy Z TriFold, the phone-tablet hybrid that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, might finally be making its official debut very soon. And if the latest reports are right, December 5th is the day Samsung's going to drop the curtain on its most ambitious piece of tech in years. Not at a flashy, unpacked event, but in a smaller, more local showcase, probably in Korea. Which makes sense because apparently that's one of the few places you'll actually be able to buy the thing. See, early info suggests Samsung's not planning a global rollout just yet. Instead, the Galaxy Z TriFold might only land in select regions like South Korea, China, Singapore, and the UAE. So if you're in the US or Europe, chances are you'll just be watching it from YouTube videos like this one. Now, here's where things get spicy. The price. Depending on who you ask, it could start anywhere between $2,000 and $3,000. Yep, that's $3,000 for what's essentially a proof of concept. Samsung reportedly plans to make just 20,000 to 30,000 units. So this isn't a mass-market phone. It's a statement piece. And the specs, at least the ones we know, are kind of insane. A 10-inch main display, a 6.5-inch cover screen, a 5,600 mAh battery, and when it's fully unfolded, it's just 4.2 millimeters thin. Fold it up, and it's around 14 millimeters thick. Not bad at all for something that folds in 3 parts. What's impressive here is how close Samsung's gotten to making this design actually practical. They've gone for an inward folding structure on both sides, which could give it a big durability edge over Huawei's triple folding design that bends both ways. That alone could make a huge difference long-term. Fewer exposed screens, fewer scratches, and maybe fewer trips to the service center. But here's the real question. Does this actually matter? I mean, sure, it's cool, it's futuristic. But at $3,000, this thing isn't meant to replace your phone. It's meant to show what Samsung can do, flexing their engineering muscles before Apple inevitably drops a foldable iPhone and makes the whole world care about foldables again. So yeah, it might not revolutionize the market, but it's definitely setting the stage for what's coming next. Anyway, I'm curious, would you ever spend $3,000 on a triple folding phone? Or do you think Samsung's just showing off? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one.